Hey everybody, it is me again. 2 videos up in one day. Hopefully you have already watched my Beautylish gift card sale haul / guide recommendations for the Beautylish gift card sale that is happening right now. It happens from today till October 25th. You have 4 days to, for every $100 that you spend, you get $20 in a gift card to use whenever you'd like. So I did post that video, but I wanted to talk more in depth about the Starry Eyes to Hypnotise palette from Charlotte Tilbury that came out this holiday. I think this is such a beautiful palette that it warrants having its like own video. Her whole holiday collection is just like absolutely stunning, show-stopping. This is her Film Star Bronze and Glow. This has the inlay Swarovski crystal. Then she also did the eyeshadow palette that is the luxury palette of Pops, which is super cute. But this is probably one of the best like everyday eyeshadow palettes that I've seen come out in a long time in terms of like comprehensive looks and a comprehensive color scheme and palette that's going to be really very universally flattering and beautiful on all kinds of eye shapes, eye colors, skin tones, hair colors. And so I wanted to talk about it, and I wanted to do some swatching for you guys. I think the easiest way for me to kind of hold this right now would be to cover that with the box, so I'm not blinding anybody with the mirror. So the way this palette is created is it's broken up into 4 color stories that are there. It's standalone eyeshadow palettes. So you have Happy Glow, which is your neutral like browns, golden browns. It's beautiful. Love Glow, which is your like mauvey pinks, like which was my favorite and what I have on today. Then you have Dream Glow, these greens. And I'll put some footage in at some point in this video of me doing a really quick look with these 3. And then Seduce Glow, which is like your smoky navy and kind of this like icy blue silver. So you have, the way this palette is laid out is that you have in each one of these color stories, you have your prime shade, your enhanced shade, and then your smoke shade. So you like this one right here with like Happy Glow. I'm going to swatch these for you. Prime, enhance, smoke. So you can see that here's your prime, enhance, smoke. And that smoky shade is a satin matte. The other 2 shades are really beautiful, like pearly, just very pigmented and very wearable in that kind of like neutrally terracotta family. Love those. So it basically is lid, crease, outer V for all 3 of these in an easy way. So the reason I like this palette so much, aside from the color story of it, is that it's just easy to use. You're gonna have a really hard time getting it off your eye. This won't come off the back of my hand. Just kidding. I'm sure it'll come off with makeup remover and not just a baby wipe. But the way that it's laid out is that you just get a quick look, and you can do a quick eyeshadow look in a matter of like a couple minutes. And I mean, probably a minute per eye, really, once you get the hang of it. So now I'll swatch Love Glow for you. So again, prime, enhance, smoke. You can see how pretty that is. And then you've got that nice like matte color too to bring under the lower lash line if you want to. Probably any of these shades could stand alone on their own as well. And the prime shade on this one I think is like so pretty. It's a really pretty pink champagne. It's not translating as well on camera, but in real life it's really fantastic. Okay, the next trio is Dream Glow. I'm gonna go ahead and put some footage in right now of me using that one. But I'm also gonna swatch those for you. So you've got your prime, enhance, smoke. Beautiful olive. It really reminds me of the old, the smoke shade right here reminds me of one of my favorite MAC shadow colors of all time, Sumptuous Olive. I don't even know if they make it anymore, but it was one of those ones that I just kept hitting pan on over and over. This is such a pretty neutral color combination. Any of these you could wear every day, but this one I can just imagine people loving for an everyday look. And then the very last trio is Seduce Glow, and this is going to be your sexier nighttime, like really just get turn up party, like, or I like a smoky eye. all the time. I don't wear a smoky eye every day, but I love a smoky eye for lots of different occasions, not just for parties, but not everybody wants to like roll with a smoky eye all the time. So prime, enhance, my hands are wet, shoot, and then smoke. I didn't get a good job on that enhance one, hold on. My fingers are wet. So you've got this really beautiful neutral champagne, and then you've got this, the one that looks really blue, it's actually way more silver. And then that one that looks navy is a nice like smoky gray. So pretty. But I want to show you what this, the enhanced shade looks like over the top of that smoke shade. It's kind of like, look at how pretty that is. You could do that over your whole lid with black liner and like really heavy black mascara, and it would just be so beautiful. Great pigmentation. It's all, as always with Charlotte, she really kills it on the pigmentation. Made in Italy, not compromising on her ingredients, which I appreciate. She's not a made in China brand. Her shadows, as always, are incredibly blendable. I personally love using the Sonia G or the Wayne Goss brushes to blend her shadows because I feel like it softens them so nicely, but it doesn't dust away all the shadow. It doesn't blow out the shadow too much. It just softens all those edges so you don't have any hard lines. Everything looks really blended. Whereas for Natasha's, I love using the Smith Cosmetic brushes, those because they mostly are natural synthetic mix, and I feel like with that heavier pigmentation, you need something more that can really go in and do that work for you. But with a softer pigmentation like Charlotte and Tom Ford, I totally go for the all natural Sonia G Wayne Goss brushes. So that would be my perfect pair. But I want to just give you an opportunity to ask any questions that you have about this palette in the comments down below. And then if you are seeing this first, go ahead and watch my other video just because you maybe missed me. I missed you guys like crazy. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and say hi in the comments. And yeah. I think you could look forward to some more content over the next couple months because this is my favorite time in beauty, is all of the holiday stuff and the lucky bags. So ready for the lucky bags. Not that I can remember what was in my last one, but I'm ready for the next one. So you guys, thank you so much. I apologize for the long absence, but sometimes you just have to like have a just break from things if they don't bring you joy. But you can always catch me on Instagram at TrishaLee_W or on my planner Instagram, my planner account, A Glittery Life Plans. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.